Behind every great project are people who believe and build. In the world of crypto, price action always seems to grab the headlines. We see the charts, the green candles, the red candles, and the endless speculation. But what truly builds a legacy? It's not the price, it's the people. The story of BNB isn't just about a token or a massive exchange. It's a story about the builders, the believers, and the powerful voices that took a simple coin and transformed it into a sprawling global ecosystem. It's a human story, and today we're going to uncover the people who made it all possible. In the fast-paced, often chaotic world of crypto, influence is a powerful currency. Whether they admit it or not, big voices can shape big moves. Their words, tweets, and even their subtle nods can send ripples across the entire market, influencing sentiment and direction. Think about someone like Elon Musk. His public comments on crypto, decentralized finance, and the infrastructure of exchanges have, time and again, caused significant market shifts. Now, to be clear, Musk has never officially promoted Binance. However, his relentless innovation-first mindset and his constant focus on scalability struck a chord within the BNB community. His actions, in a way, served as a reminder of a core principle: that powerful technology, when combined with trust, can build global movements, not just digital coins. It's about envisioning a future and then having the audacity to build it, and that SA philosophy that resonated deeply with the early adopters and builders of the BNB ecosystem. But the real foundational force behind Binance's meteoric rise isn't just the high-profile influencers. It's a dedicated grassroots army, the Binance Angels. These are thousands of volunteers spread across the globe who tirelessly translate guides, educate newcomers about the complexities of crypto, and build vibrant local communities from the ground up. And here's the most remarkable part: they do it all for free. They aren't employees on a payroll, they're believers. They're passionate individuals who genuinely believe in the mission of making crypto accessible and safe for everyone. In many ways, the Angels became Binance's living, breathing infrastructure. They were able to spread knowledge, offer support, and build trust far more effectively and authentically than any multi-million-dollar marketing campaign ever could. Think about it. In numerous countries, Binance's initial foothold and subsequent success didn't come from a big corporate push. It started with just a handful of passionate volunteers, patiently helping their friends, family, and neighbors understand crypto safely. That is the human network that underpins the blockchain, the personal touch that builds lasting trust. Then, of course, you have the builders of the empire. At the helm of it all is CZ, Changpeng Zhao, the coder-turned-founder whose vision was the initial spark that powered this entire movement. His leadership and strategic direction are legendary, but a single visionary, no matter how brilliant, can't build an empire alone. Behind CZ stands an army of hundreds of key executives, developers, engineers, and strategists, the silent builders. These are the unsung heroes working behind the scenes. They're the ones meticulously designing the architecture of the BNB chain, ensuring there's enough liquidity to keep the markets flowing smoothly, and navigating the incredibly complex and ever-changing landscape of global regulation. These are the people who took BNB from its humble beginnings as a simple token for trading discounts and transformed it into the foundational layer of Web3's financial infrastructure. Every single upgrade, every new product launch, every expansion into a new market, none of it happened by magic. It came from real human beings, collaborating, innovating, and solving incredibly difficult problems day in and day out. So when we take a step back and look at the crypto projects that have truly lasted, the ones that have weathered bear markets and regulatory storms, one fundamental truth stands out. Technology might start the fire, but it's the community that keeps it burning bright. The enduring strength of the BNB ecosystem doesn't come from short-term hype or volatile price action. It comes from its people. It comes from the visionary leadership of CZ, the unwavering dedication of the Binance Angels, the brilliance of the engineers, and the millions of users around the world who believe in what they are collectively building. It's this human element, the shared vision, the mutual support, and the collective effort that makes an ecosystem resilient. That's how projects survive and thrive, through people who genuinely care and are invested in the outcome beyond just financial gain. And that, in essence, is the story behind the people of BNB. It's a powerful reminder that every great project is so much more than just code or a balance sheet. It's a community. It's a network of human beings united by a common goal. If you learned something new today and enjoyed this deeper look into the crypto world, do me a favor and drop a like on this video. And be sure to subscribe for more stories that decode the world of crypto. This is DCA CRYPTO, where we uncover the human side of the blockchain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.